What's up, everybody? DJ LaFave here with a really quick video. Not so much tailored towards VDJ, the software, but this one is all about one of the best parts about Virtual DJ. It's the community. If you guys saw the thumbnail, I'm going to show you something that kind of blew my mind. I haven't been over to this website in a while, at least this particular part of a website. All right, are you ready for this? Are you ready for this? It is the Virtual DJ. I'm calling it my space of Virtual DJ. It is actually called the user network. And this is pretty cool. It's a pretty cool feature that has more capabilities if you're a pro member and some capabilities if you are a free user. I'm going to go and show you a little bit of both of them and then hope to see what your creativity brings out from this. All right. So to find this, if you're on let's just go to the Virtual DJ homepage, the homepage. So you're on the homepage, go up here to community, and then from community, go click on user network. That's going to bring you onto this page, which is like the homepage of this Virtual DJ social network. On here, you can see all the freshest, latest for user activities. You've got most active users, most popular profiles, which I'm not on there yet, but we're working towards it. We're working towards it. Cloudless, which are pretty cool. We'll get into them in a future video for sure. Latest blog posts, and you guys can see all this. This is all stuff that you can see from here. Now, this is for the pro users. This is what a pro profile looks like and what you can do from here. So this is me. This is DJ LaFave at Virtual DJ. So virtualdj.com, and then the full URL. We'll put it in the description. It's /user/your username. Very simple. So what do you got going on here? You got the homepage. So my homepage right now, it's all full of empty, right? Let's look at that. Post a comment. There's nobody on my wall yet, but after this video, we're going to get there. You can have friend requests, a list of your friends on here, and I don't have any friends on Virtual DJ yet. We need to go get them. We need to go get them. Latest played sets, this is private, so you guys can actually not see this from your side. So every time you play on Virtual DJ, it loads up your set onto the cloud. So it's pretty nice. You get to keep all of that. If you make Cloudless public, then they'll show up here. It's a cool way to share some of your sets, your playlists, or whatnot. You can actually other users can pull these Cloudless into Virtual DJ, and then if you have the same tracks, then you've already got a playlist made up. It's pretty neat. This was a little holiday party I did around the way. And then podcast is cool. That's up top. This is kind of just your wall. It's just your home page, and we'll get to all this other cool stuff. So let's go to sets. You go to sets right here, and it's going to show all the sets. Well, I've been a busy beaver, busy beaver. Me, yes, I guess I have. All right, that's a lot of sets in there. And then Cloudless, I just showed you. Podcast. This is a feature where you can actually broadcast directly from Virtual DJ, and it automatically goes up here. Now, I believe this is only a pro user function, but it's pretty neat. So one of my recent tutorials, I added the audio up there at the same time. So give her a quick listen. All you need is a computer with an internet connection. Woo, came in hot. But the audio, it sounds crispy. It's really nice. I kind of like this feature. I don't know what the rules and regulations are, whether you put music up in here, but not my website. Not what I'm going to do. I don't put music up here, but if you guys want to, I haven't read it in the EULA. I looked. I didn't see it. Maybe it's a gray area. Not sure. They also have the feature where you can broadcast, where you can actually broadcast directly. This one, you're actually letting people onto your computer. So there's a network connection going on. I don't know fully about the security of it, but I know that when I want to do this, I have to personally open up ports on my firewall. So, use at your own risk, your own caution. There's many other ways to broadcast. This is audio only, but again, it's super simple out of the box. Then we got blogs. If you guys want to head up over here, this is where I'll be posting some just random stuff. I just wanted to test it out a little bit. So I added a couple of my recent videos on here. They're kind of fun. You can actually play the video through here. Now, this is pretty neat. While you're here, if you're a pro user and you want to write a blog, let's just write a new blog. And this is the example live blog. Woo! And then I'm going to put some text here. Yeah, you saw that. Now, here is something cool. If you go down to the bottom right, there is the plus BB code syntax. Now, if you follow this stuff right here, this kind of scripting, you can format your text. You can even embed YouTube videos just by doing the YouTube in brackets, taking the video ID, and then closing it with your YouTube. So you can embed videos. That's what I did on those previous ones. If you do Daily Motion, I guess there's a Google Video Player. But who am I? Who am I? I don't know. I don't know. Um, and then just for fun, right now we're gonna copy this. You can do this. Just copy this right here, and it's going to end up looking just like that. That says "Look at me." We'll go up into the post. Text here. Enter. Look at me. Now, if you just replace this "Look at me" with, you guys are gonna be being fancy. So look at you. Look at you. We're gonna click save. Now, when I go to that specific blog post, you're going to see there's the editing. There's all that fun stuff. So you can do some editing there. You can share some stuff. The one thing that I would like to see in this, is if you can allow other users to comment back, to reply to a blog post, to not to take away from their forum. This is more of a personal space for you, right? And then you've got photos. So I just dropped a photo of me DJing in Cancun a few months ago. It was a blast down there. It was an all-white party. It was just, mwah. And yep, that's VDJ on the screen, baby. Oh, hairy chest, get away. All right, so that is, how do we close off this? You guys don't really see that anymore. There. I guess you hit back. All right, you hit back. So that is your homepage if you are a pro user. Now, if you're a free user, this is what your free account looks like. Of course, I created a free account. You can upload a image. You can add a description. But you'll notice you don't have a wall. So nobody can there's no wall. So you can't write anything and people can't write directly to you. Your sets will come up here. I have not played any sets on this free account yet, but they would be uploaded over here. Cloudless it's a different website that opens up. And now podcasts, it says you don't have any podcasts yet. So I think you can broadcast a podcast from Virtual DJ on the free account, and I think it goes up here. And then broadcast, I think you can do that as well. And blog posts, you cannot do blog posts on a free account, and you cannot do photos. So that is the basics of the Virtual DJ User Network. So I've got a challenge for you all. Right? Here's what I want you to do. If you're at this point in the video, I would like you to do 4 simple things. You've been blowing up my page the past few weeks. It's been amazing. I want you to like this video. There's number 1. Very simple. Then I want you to drop your VDJ username in the comments below this video. All right? I want to know what it is because I want to be able to make sure I can follow you guys on Virtual DJ and see what kind of fun you're having with this. Then head over to my wall. That's right. Head on right over here to my wall, and I want you to leave a comment and friend me. So to show you how to friend me, I'm going to go to the free account. We're going to go over to this profile, and I believe you just click on, can you not add a friend as a free user? Well, find out for me. And then I want you to friend me, leave a comment, and then everybody who does this, all my future videos, all the new people who do this, I'm going to hopefully give you guys a shout out in my videos. Just thanks for supporting me and what I'm trying to do here to build this community up just a little bit more. If you guys have been having a blast as much as I have, I appreciate it. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you so much. I'm DJ LaFave. That's all we got for now. Oh!